Full part on here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1971 Plymouth Valiant Scamp, two-door hardtop. And yes, this is a true Scamp. Do have the build sheet and actually original window sticker, some of the original owner information to go along with this car. Go ahead and take a good close look at the front end here with the grille, headlight surrounds, chrome bumper. See, the front grille is in nice shape as well as the bumper. Underneath the hood, 318, paired up with a torque flight automatic transmission. Also power steering, power brakes, and a factory AC car. AC does blow cold. Paint on this car is in nice shape. It is the original paint color also. Paint code on this one would have been Y8, so it is a gold metallic paint. The one thing I did notice, and you got to be looking at it just right, and I don't know if I can get it to show up in the video or the pictures, but it's had paint work on the side, and compared to the top, they're both gold metallic, but they're, if you look real close, you can tell there is a slight difference in the gold, but it's, you got to really be fussy. A lot of people would never notice it. Again, in the pictures and the video, it's tough to see. I just kind of want to give you the heads up, but again, it's very minute. We do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You wanted somebody else to come take a look at this car, put their eyes on it. If you can't make it yourself, feel free to. Now, all the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Would have front wheel disc brakes on this car, along with power, as I said earlier, and also power steering. As you can see, Krager SS's, great look on this car. And the car is nice and straight, looking up and down the side of it. Interior, black vinyl interior, which is the way this would have came from Plymouth back in '71. Front bench seat, and we're going to get into the interior a little closer, look at it up close. When I start the car, let's hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Black vinyl top, also factory option on this car. That's the way it would have came back in '71. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear spoiler, bumper, chrome. You know, there's a few imperfections here and there in the chrome or in the bright work, but overall this car does show very nice. One, I won't be afraid to get in and drive it, take it in your local shows, cruise-ins, roll-ins. Some extra parts that are going to go with this. In the one box, air cleaner and wheel covers. You can check that out in the still pictures. Here we have a manifold and original carb, I believe it is. That's in the still pictures also. And then a couple exhaust manifolds. Those will go with it. And again, you can check out still pictures of the interior, trunk, engine bay, underside at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. And again, I can kind of come around and try to show you where those golds are just a tad off. But boy, you got to be right on top of it in person to really notice it much. All right, look up and down this driver's side. Again, pretty free of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, body looks straight on this side. Love the look of those Krager SS's on there. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out this interior, and I'll get to the seat and the headliner here in just a second. All right, so easy that starts. Alternator gauge working. Temperature will come up with temperature of their engine. As you see, the fuel gauge also moved. Odometer reads 32,719. Cannot confirm or deny that's original miles due to the age of the vehicle. Miles do not stay in the title after the vehicle is a certain age. Dash is in nice shape. Again, factory AC car. Turn the fan up, put the AC on, and it does blow cold. It will definitely cool you off here, especially on max. You can hear how smooth that engine still runs with the AC on and everything. We're just going to go and click it off, or I'm going to get the chills. All right, seats. Take a look at the black vinyl. Free of rips, tears, holes. Rear seats, go ahead and take a peek at them. Those are also in nice shape. Carpeting in nice shape. Headliner. So interior of the car shows very well also. Carpeting in it looks great. You can see the still pictures underneath the floor mats of the carpeting and the stills. Door panels. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. 318 sounds nice. Nothing over the top. No crazy exhaust, heavy cam, anything like that. Good sounding car. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I need to pause this video a second so I can pop these hood pins, and let's check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Look at how nice and tidy this is. Looks like well maintained too. New booster, master cylinder. So there's been some brake work recently done to this. Looks like a newer Delco battery. Power steering. Down here. AC compressor. Looks like a newer alternator. Wow, look how smooth that runs. 318, V8. Plenty engine for this size car. And best of all, you got AC, power steering, power brakes. Nice cruiser. 1971 Plymouth Valiant Scamp, 2-door hardtop, original color combination. By the way, numbers matching tranny. And I'm going to do a little research when I get done with this video. Check out the still pictures in the description. I believe it's engine also, but I want to confirm that first. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.